Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital of 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So we can put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So capital A, that is about this one. Capital P, that is about 1 over S. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put this one like this. When s approach to number 0, we put number 0 gone here. So we have number 0. When we put number 0 gone here, cosine of number 0, we have number 1. F and number 1, you got number 0. This one, you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. We can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one, that is about negative sine s plus a cosine s over cosine s plus a sine s. After we do first the derivative of this one, that is about number 1. And now we can put number 0 gone here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 8. So that means this one equals to 8. And here is the final answer of the limit. This is the end. Thank you for watching.